What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, here with another video. Today we're going to be installing an ATQ clutch on the Genesis Coupe. So here's the clutch I bought. I bought it used. It's open, but it hasn't actually been put in the car, so it's pretty much brand new. I'm doing this not because there's something wrong with my clutch. I'm just doing it for preventative, just in case if this one's bad. Since when I bought it, I wasn't sure how good or bad the clutch is, so I just decided to get this one and just replace it just for preventative maintenance. So yeah, pretty much you want to jack it up pretty high so you can have a good laying position and to have a lot more room for when you're planning to get the bolts out of the tranny. All right, so once you're under the car, you want to take apart this midsection from the cat, the Y pipe. So since I have an aftermarket exhaust, there's a Y pipe that connects to the cat. So you want to take this piece out from here to there, so you can take off this under shield to be able to disconnect the drive shaft. All right, fast forward the process of taking off the transmission. So there's 10 bolts and a nut. So there should be 4 down here that are reversed on this side, and then the rest are on the opposite side. And if you don't know, that the throwout bearing is a hydraulic throwout bearing, and pretty much you will have to, if you're going to be planning to replace this, you will have to bleed the fluid. Oh.
That's why you don't use an impact.
Damn it.
Why you want to use an impact on everything?
And this is our first issue that we ran into. We tried taking off the flywheel, the pressure plate, and we broke off 3 bolts right here. Pretty ridiculous. So we put in WD-40 and we're gonna heat up to kind of make it expand, and we're gonna try to get them out. Finding new bolts is gonna be pretty easy.
Modified our own little tool. Got a little hook going. I don't know, could this hit? Yeah. Modify your own little tool, a little hook. And you just you can rip the seal around it, the little rubber piece, which is why you see the little grooves right there. But you need to get to the back side of you just pull it right off. Pretty simple.
All right, so the clutch is in. We couldn't really show you guys because we needed 2 people for one to go in the front and hold down the crank pulley while somebody tightens the clutch and flywheel. So pretty much when you put the flywheel in, you want to tighten the flywheel to 94 foot-pounds.
Well, when you put the clutch disc in and then you put the pressure plate over it, just tighten these just finger tight first.
Yeah.
Just so that later on you can actually use this aligning tool and align the clutch so that it sits perfectly in the middle, and then torque it down to 24 foot-pounds.
Exactly.
In a star formation, keep in mind, it has to seat evenly all around. So.
All right, so if you plan to replace your throwout bearing, here's a brand new one. That is the old one. There are 3 bolts. 1, 2, and there's 3 on the bottom. Right there. What's up, guys? So it's the next day, and sorry about that. The video might seem like it's kind of unorganized, but pretty much we got the transmission back on. And so basically, after you get the clutch installed back in, you just want to put everything back in reverse of how you took it off. And just wanted to explain that pretty much what took the longest for us is that 3 out of 6 bolts that were holding on the pressure plate to the flywheel broke off, and so it took forever for us to just get them out and then re-thread them and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.